that any matter in the universe can be changed into pure energy. Okay? What kind of energy? Very good question. Now that depends on, it can be any kind. You can convert it into light energy. You can convert into sound energy. You can convert into electrical energy, heat energy.
However, if it is electrical energy, we can get electricity from anywhere.
Yes, any material. However, to do that, in order to get that energy from that small particle, you have to make it travel very, very fast. And so this equation tells you how much matter can give you how much energy. So till now, we humans have not been able to do it because we still don't have the technology to do it. However, it is possible. And that equation tells us, when we develop that technology, maybe one of you will invent it. When we develop that technology, how much matter will give you how much energy? And that's a huge number. Just one little tiny hydrogen atom, not grain of sand, just an atom can give you enough energy to give electricity for a whole country for a few hours. So every matter has a lot of energy. Okay, so
it can give you a lot of energy.
Yes, it can, if we have the technology to convert it into energy. That technology we still don't have, but it should be possible sometime in the future. As I said, one of you might grow up to
whenever you go into space, the time is almost frozen.
Not in space, Divya. Not when you go into space. When you go near a black hole. Now, what are black holes? Let me not get into all of this.
Yeah, but black holes are suns. Which
no. Black holes are
something which is called red giants, and then it turns into supernova with blast.
Yes, so black holes, we will talk about that not yet, okay? Just wait for some more time. But in general, black hole is something which is very, 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 very heavy in a very small space. So for example, if you have a tennis ball made up of iron, imagine a tennis ball made up of iron and a tennis ball made up of thermocol. The size is the same. Which one is heavier?
The
iron ball.
Right?
Iron ball will be heavy. Similarly, in a black hole, it can be the size of a planet. It can be the size of moon. However, the weight of the black hole is much, much, much more. And that is why time does freeze. That again, we have not proven. Nobody has proven. Scientists believe that time will freeze if anything goes near a black hole. That is a theory. We still don't have technology to prove it. But
how will it freeze? How will it
be? What will it mean by time freezing? It will mean if you can go near a black hole. So again, all of this is something which is imagination of the scientists using equations and knowledge that we have. Okay, so understand that nobody.
Yeah. So if you have a clock in front of you right now, and another person goes near a black hole and has a clock, that time your clock and the other person's clock will have a lot of difference.
Yeah, so what it means is, you are right, Divya. So essentially what it means is, so again, I'm telling you this has not been done experimentally, okay? This is an imagination. Science is all about imagination. So what it means, freezing of time means, what Divyang said is right. Let me put it in another way. Suppose you are saying your twin sister is on Earth, and you tell your twin sister, I'll go visit the black hole and come back. Okay? So on Earth, your sister stays on Earth, and you go to the black hole and you come back. For you would go to black hole and come back maybe in 1 day. Okay, because you've gone to the black hole, spent a day near the black hole and come back. So for you have spent 1 hour, 24 hours. However, for your sister who has stayed back on Earth, it would be about 1,000 years. So your sister will no longer be there when you come back. Although for you, you have only done 1 hour of time, 1 day of travel. But for your sister who has stayed back on Earth, it would have been 1,000 years, maybe more. I don't know the exact number. So that is what it means that time freezes, time slows down when you go near a black hole. Time slows down. When you are away from a black hole, it's a different time, speed at which the time goes by, and it's a different time when you go near something like a black hole. You understand? Divyank?
Ma'am, but you will still be... Ma'am, but you will still be alive.
You will be alive. Your twin unfortunately won't be. Because for them, 1,000 years have gone by. You will be.
That means you can go to a new century.
Yes.